Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is action. 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 Action is a noun that refers to the process of doing something, typically in response to a situation, need, or opportunity. It can also signify the result or outcome of that process, as well as the behavior or conduct of an individual or group. Action is a versatile word used in various contexts, including everyday life, business, sports, entertainment, and more. Here are some examples. Example number 1. In times of crisis, it's important to take swift and effective action to address the situation. Why action is used in example number 1. In this example, action is used to describe the process of responding to a crisis. Example number 2. The action taken by the government to stimulate the economy included tax cuts and infrastructure projects. Why action is used in example number 2. Action is used to describe the specific steps and measures taken by the government. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.